everyone, I'm Riddhi Bhattacharya. I'm a student, freelance blogger, and editor with the Teen Pop magazine. My passion resides in etching down the feelings of my heart and the notions of my mind and conveying them to the world with my speeches, debates, articles, and blog posts. Today, I'm here on the behalf of the Teen Pop magazine, which is the first online magazine for high schoolers, teenagers, and aspiring journalists that gives young people the opportunity to share their voice, build their writing portfolio, and receive peer feedback and mentorship in the editorial industry. If you would like to write for the Teen Pop magazine, just check their website, theteenpop.com. Today, I'm in conversation with Indian classical playback singer Pratibha Singh Bhatia. She was the top finalist of Saregama 2009 and the winner of Shankar Mahadevan Gharanam. She has won Lata Mangeshkar Alankaran Award and the National Classical Vocal Award. She sang Rajachi Antaktaki for Manikarnika and got recognition as the voice of Manikarnika. She has sung as a playback singer in several Bollywood movies such as Sant Kiya, Humpty Sharma Ki Dalania, Bazaar, Zid, Bollywood Diaries, Isak, and Shorgul. She also plays the lead role of Umrao Jan in Salim Sulaiman's musical Umrao Jan and the role of Bahar in Mughal Azam. She has performed live in more than 30 countries and has shared a stage with singers like Shankar Mahadevan, Sonu Nigam, and Himesh Reshammiya. Hello there, how are you doing today?
Thank you. Well, that was quite a long description
Introduction,
about
yeah.
me, but yeah, but I just like to say that I'm a very upcoming singer, probably, which is hard working towards their goal, and yeah, so I'm just a singer.
I think you're really successful with the way you're going, and I wish you the best of luck. So, what was
Thank you.
it like, and when and why did you decide to pursue this career?
Well, I used to sing since I was a child, but as a career, I think I decided when I was 14 or 15 years old, and I quit engineering. Like the very first step towards engineering, I quit that, and then I took the decision that okay, I'll have to become a musician now. Yeah,
Okay, that's amazing. So,
yeah.
what's the genre of music that you typically sing?
I like to sing all the genres, but I love singing ghazals and Indian classical thumris. You can say probably semi-classical and ghazals are my forte, but I love singing Whitney Houston and Beyonce as well.
That's
But
amazing.
I try to, but yeah. So my specialty, you can say probably I sing ghazals and thumris more. And also I'm into Bollywood, so I love singing Bollywood.
That's amazing. So, you have performed all around the world, US, Canada, Kenya, Singapore, and I really hope you come to Nigeria too. So,
I
what
hope, I wish
I
soon.
really do, yeah. So, could you name a time when you really felt loved by the crowd?
Loved by the crowd. I think I feel every time whenever I'm performing on a stage, when I go on a stage, I feel like a queen because the kind of love that they show towards the artist is incomparable. So I think every time I feel that I'm loved the most here. So yeah, so seeing the audience is always as joyful as anything else can be. I mean, anything else can't be actually.
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
So, what has been your best performance so far, according to you?
I really enjoyed performing for IFA, which happened last year. And also, I enjoyed performing in London for Umrao Janada, and they gave some crazy response to our performances. So yeah, that was incredible um,
Moment for
experience.
you, yeah.
Why? Yeah, because I remember uh, when I make the entry as Umrao Jan, mostly what happens that they probably cheer you up or probably they listen to you, tend to be silent. What am I doing? But in London, every day without fail, as soon as I entered, everybody clapped and whistled. So I really enjoyed that.
That's amazing. I mean, you truly deserve that kind of love and attention, to be very honest. So,
Thank you.
when you look back, what performance has been the most funniest or the most embarrassing?
I fell down once on a stage. while performing, I was wearing very high heels, and I could not see behind what is there, and I think मैं किसी चीज I think some box was there. मैं टकरा कर I
You
yeah
fell
fell down.
backwards.
I
Was it a
felt so
serious injury?
embarrassed. No, 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 nothing like that. I immediately got up, I started performing, but yeah, it did hurt later. But I was pretending as if, oh, nothing happened, just a small thing.
Just playing along. Okay.
Yeah.
You know when you play the role of Umrao Jan in Sarin Suleiman's musical, how is that experience like, and how different is the love, the reactions that you get from playing musicals and plays than when you do as a playback singer?
So this Umrao Jan musical is um, like the director Sahab Rajiv Goswami ji, and of course he's one of the producers as well, and Salim Suleiman ji also are the producers and the music directors. So I think when I was selected for Umrao Jan, I felt really fortunate to be playing that role because I am a huge fan of Rekha ji. Umrao Jan 3 बार बनी थी. It is actually taken from Mirza Hadi Ruswa Saab's book, Umrao Janada.
Mhm.
And on that novel, 3 Umrao Jans were made. First,
Mhm.
of course, Rekha ji is one, and the second was with Aishwarya Rai ji, and third they tried on like theater Umrao Janada the
Mm.
musical. So I think I have always been a fan of Rekha ji, so I was very inspired by her. I used to see her. I see how she acts, I see how she delivers it, I see how she dances. So I think overall it was a great experience, and top of that it was a musical, so I had to sing live, and I love singing on stage. So it has a, I mean, it had, I had a great experience.
When you were named as the voice of Manikarnika, when you sang the song Rajaji and Taktaki for Kangana Ranaut's film Manikarnika, how was the experience like?
First of all, knowing that I'm gonna sing for Manikarnika film and for Kangna Ranaut, because I happen to be a great fan of her acting, and also it was more special because I was singing for Shankar ji for the very first time, and he was my mentor since Saregama. So I was very excited and happy, and when I sang the song, I mean, when I went to sing the song, he made me so comfortable, Shankar ji. He's such a genius, but he lets you do what you want. So he made me so comfortable, and he was like, it is your song, sing your own way, it is for you. So, and don't hesitate to do your own variations. And he told me what else can I do. So he gave me a very uh, vast idea, so that I can explore the song. I went, I took the song, I came back home, I I learned it, and then I went to record it, and it was a great experience seeing him how hardworking he is, and yet he's so encouraging, and yet he's so humble all the time. Like, these people are legends. You every time you learn so much from these people. So I had a great experience. Yeah.
I think when recently, I think back around in October, November, in Lagos, we had a
Hmm.
concert. It's called Diwali Mela, and Shankar Mahadevan sir came. And it
Yeah.
was truly such a breathtaking concert, and definitely one of the best I've ever been to.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean, like you can
absolutely.
literally look at him on the stage, and you can tell how how amazing a person he is on
Person. Yes, yes. 100%.
could you sing a bit of Rajaji or Taktaki for us from Manikarnika?
I will, I will, I will. Hmm. Oh, Raja ji, oh, Maharaja ji, नैना चुगल खोर राजा जी, ओ महाराजा जी, नैना है चित चोर राजा जी. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, you recently also sang with Shiva Mahadevan for Bandit Bandit's song Chhed Khaniya.
Yes.
experience like
Yeah.
working with?
Well, I was very excited again because I sang again for Shankar Ehsaan Loy. And it is also very special because me and Shivam share a very beautiful relation. He calls me a sister, but we are more more of a very close friends who can gossip, who can, uh, not so much, but we sometimes like to bitch about somebody. So yeah, so it's a very beautiful relation of two friends. He's very young, uh, very younger to me, but yeah, we share a very beautiful relationship, and we were very happy. We always used to think कि हम साथ में एक गाना कब गाएंगे finally, and that happened. So we were very happy, and the song also is very masti khor song,
Right.
and yeah, so we were very happy, and the song has actually taken up very nicely. Um, People are loving the song,
Reaction
so very
feedback on,
happy.
and we have a surprise for you regarding that too, and I will send that across to you. It's a compilation of the dance to the hook step
Uh-huh.
by a couple of our writers. I'll send that across to you too.
Wow, please do that.
I'll
Yes.
do that. So could you sing a bit of Cherakhania?
हो सामने तू है ना, विस्फोट सा दिल में हुआ रे प्यार के ओशन में, एक बोट सा तैर गया रे, धक धक करके सामने जो आया, बक बक करके तुझको पकाया, हो जरा घबरा के जरा हिचका के, मैंने प्यार से करते रहे छेड़खानियां छेड़खानियां, कभी उल्टी तो सीधी, छेड़खानियां छेड़खानियां कर ऐसी की तैसी, छेड़खानियां छेड़खानियां कभी उल्टी तो सीधी, छेड़खानियां छेड़खानियां कर ऐसी की तैसी. Thank you.
It's such a fun song, and like it's like you said, full of musty.
Yeah,
That I'm like a huge fan of the song.
yeah.
So now we'll do
Thank
some like
you.
really quick questions, so like rapid fire questions.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
firstly, what inspires you to soar higher?
Um, keep singing. Do not stop singing. Yeah, this is what always I keep in mind. And no matter what, no matter how hard it is, no matter what you're doing, just keep singing. So I think this is one thought that always I keep in mind
Okay.
and
So
keeps me
what is
going.
the importance of like classical music in today's world?
It is very important to know the basics. So, for any Indian music, for any aspiring singer or anybody who wants to do something in music, has to at least know the basics of our Indian music. So, I think Indian classical music is very vast. You can choose a genre of it, either Indian classical or semi-classical or thumri or ghazals or Bollywood, but know the basics of what you want to do.
Okay, that's amazing. So your favorite male and female singers?
Favorite male singers? Okay, I am a huge fan of Mehdi Hasan Sahab. He's now no more, but I am a huge fan of him as a male singer. So he was a ghazal singer. And female, I can give that to, of course, the great Lata Mangeshkar ji.
Right. And how about an actor and an actress whose films you would like to sing as a playback singer in?
I really like Deepika Padukone in today's time, and so I wish to sing for her someday. And in males, I really like Amir Khan. So yeah, and of course Amitabh Bachchan sir. Yeah,
I really hope you get all of them, in fact.
yeah.
So, what's your current favorite song?
Current favorite song, छेड़खानियां करे उल्टी की सीधी.
I think that's everybody's favorite song right now. So, if you could go back and
Yeah.
when you were first starting your musical career, knowing what you know now, what advice would you give yourself?
Uh, how to record? Because when I came here in Mumbai as a beginner or as a very newcomer, I never knew how to record a song on a microphone, on a professional microphone. So now when I go back and think when I hear my songs. So I feel, oh, I wish I could go back and change this. I know the technique. So yeah,
So, what is your message to your fans all around the world?
that keep singing, keep working hard for your career, whatever you want to do in music or in life. So keep working hard, never stop, and never get deprived of the good spirit. Like, have always a happy
Drive.
spirit, carry, yeah, yeah, in your life. Never be unhappy or unsatisfied with the things, because things will go on, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but you just have to keep making your efforts towards whatever you love to do, and that is what will keep you going.
Perfect. Thank you
And
so
keep
much.
listening to a lot of music.
And your music also. Okay. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for being with us, ma'am. If
thank you.
you'd like to know more about Pratibha Singh Baghel and her musical journey, stay tuned with the Teen Pop magazine.